As a CTL, one of your topmost priorities is to allocate your team resources effectively. This is where the BCC resources and capabilities can provide you with tremendous leverage. Many teams have used us when there are resource and time crunch on their cases, but increasingly teams are also using us in areas where the BCC has developed tremendous expertise or where we have a lot of experience. The BCC has extensive experience in our core capabilities, which include both primary and secondary research, and increasingly we have developed capabilities in data analytics.
At the start of a client development project, we oftentimes put together company and industry overview as well as competitor fact base. BCC developed a detailed fact base in a span of 4 days. Not only did we touch on business description and basic financials of the company, but we also went ahead and profiled a detailed competitor overview, share price movement and reasons for the same, as well as a much more deep dive on the specific business division in context here.
BCC was required to benchmark leading fleet monitoring service providers in the US and Europe. This was to understand industry best practices on go-to-market models such as products offered, sales distribution, pricing, and customer management. BCC did this work in about 7 days working independently. Since the data availability on this market was limited, we used a mix of primary calls and expert calls to get an answer on each company, as well as to benchmark competitors to understand their BDPs.
BCC team was working with Bain Sydney office, and together we were trying to set a right pricing strategy for a global pet food manufacturer. For BCC, it meant running correlation and regression analysis between prices and volumes for a variety of SKUs that included various brands, pack sizes, and formats.
The PE client was worried that the target company was window dressing their newer store format at the expense of older stores. Here at the BCC, we took a two-step approach to analyze this. First of all, on a micro level, we look at per store sales comparison between older and newer stores to show that new store openings did not cannibalize existing stores. Secondly, we looked at average contract sizes between the newer and older stores over time to show that target companies did not shift their high-value customers to newer stores. Lastly, we also mapped out the store opening sequence to confirm the gap-filling strategy of the target company.
In some cases, here at the BCC, we go beyond pure research and can provide an independent point of view of the market. Anything from the market size, demand drivers, and the value chain, we can provide a perspective on that. As an example, for a case we did recently, we looked at the red light and speed camera deployment in the US. We looked at the market potential for automated systems in the traffic violation value chain, created a perspective on the market and growth, triangulating with multiple sources and researching regulations.